This means is IntelliSense is the statement completion. So what I can do with this is if I say post a dot on an object, I get these advanced, these other operations that I have available on the same object. So for instance, I can see that I have a byline property in this, and the content, and some other operations. So go ahead and put it over here. Okay. So bring it back. So let's just run this application. I mean, when you are building something serious, you obviously need debugging support, and Visual Studio has excellent debugging support. So let's just see that, right? So I will run this application in the debug mode.
You don't have debug mode in web metrics?
You don't.
You don't.
So, okay, so it has hit a breakpoint. What is a breakpoint? Breakpoint is telling the runtime to stop the execution at this point. What I've done is I press F9 and set a breakpoint over here. What I'm doing exactly is going through each item on this loop and seeing what I just have, the values that are coming. This is helpful. Definitely, you make mistakes and you want to see how the data is looking like. So you use this web debugging tool to view this. So I hover over this and I get this additional info, like the value that's being bound to this, as well as some other or this other content. Okay, so see that whole thing is coming up in the debug view. Okay, so I press F5 because it has 2 items. It went through this again, and it's still in debug mode. Let me just quick. Okay, so we are back to the page. We saw using these helper methods that come with matrix, how you open a